In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reviews from Trustpilot to Shopify. Having trusted reviews on your store can really boost conversions, and connecting Trustpilot to Shopify is actually quite simple. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and log into your store. Make sure you're on the main home dashboard, where you can see your orders, products, and other key information. This is the central place you'll always come back to when managing apps. From here, look for the search bar at the top of the Shopify admin. Click on the search field to activate it. The search bar is a quick way to jump to different areas of your store, including your apps. In the search results or in the left-hand menu, click on Apps. This will open the Apps section where you can see all the apps you've already installed, as well as recommendations from Shopify. On the apps page, look for the option that says All Recommended Apps and click on it. This takes you to a curated list of apps that Shopify suggests for different use cases. Next, find and click on the link or button that says Discover More in the Shopify App Store. This will open the Shopify App Store, either in a new tab or in the same window, depending on your browser settings. Once you're in the App Store, go to the search bar at the top and type the word Trustpilot. Press Enter to search. You'll see several results related to Trustpilot integrations. From the list of results, click on Trustpilot Reviews. This is the official app that allows you to connect your Trustpilot account with your Shopify store and display your reviews. On the Trustpilot Reviews app page, click the Install button. Shopify will now ask you to confirm that you want to install this app and show you what permissions it needs. You'll see a confirmation screen in Shopify. Click Install again to approve the app and allow it to connect to your store. If a new Trustpilot window does not open automatically after installation, look for a link on the page that lets you open the app manually. Click on that link to launch the Trustpilot setup window. Once the Trustpilot window opens, you'll be prompted either to create a new Trustpilot account or log into an existing one. After you log in, you'll be guided through syncing Trustpilot with your Shopify store. From there, you can import and display your reviews. The setup inside Trustpilot is very straightforward, and once it's done, your reviews will start appearing on your Shopify store.